Hi everyone, I'm Errorslaya. In this video guide, I'll explain how to change account name in Windows 10. I will show you two different methods. If you want, let's get started right away. First, we go to the search bar at the bottom left and type Control Panel. We open the Control Panel. Now we open the User Accounts tab in the top right. We click on User Accounts again. Here's where you can change your account name. Let's click and change the account name. After typing the new account name, click the Change Name button. As you can see, our account name has changed. If this method didn't work, you can try method 2. If you want, let's take a look at method 2. First, go to the search bar in the bottom left and search for lusrmgr.msc and open. Double-click the user's file. Right-click on the account we want to change the name of and click Rename. Type your new account name and press Enter. As you can see, our account name has changed. We've reached the end of another how-to guide. If you found this video helpful, please like video and subscribe to the Errorslaya channel. Have a good day, everyone.